TGI Fridays menu serves burgers, pizzas, pastas, soups, and the classic and favorite dishes for Filipinos. They often serves the bundles and party platters so you can enjoy with your family, friends, and special ones. TGI Fridays is a vibrant and exciting restaurant that offers a fun and lively dining experience for all, with a focus on casual dining and a menu filled with delicious American-inspired dishes. TG Fridays is the perfect spot for family gatherings, celebrations with friends, or even just a night out to enjoy great food and drinks. TGI Fridays prides itself on providing a welcoming atmosphere, exceptional service, and high-quality food made with fresh ingredients. From the signature Jack Daniel's grilled dishes to famous appetizers like loaded potato skins and buffalo wings, there is something for everyone to enjoy at TGI Fridays. Come visit and experience the fun and delicious food that make TGI Fridays a beloved dining destination in Metro Manila. Specialties: Jack Daniel's Sampler, chicken fingers, ballpark nachos, calypso calamari salad, Jack Daniel's ribs and salmon, Friday's cheeseburger sliders, and mocha mud pie. A wide beverage menu including its famous smoothies and flings. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs.